everybody, I'm Susan from Srsytle. Hope everybody's having a great day. I have another requested video, if I can talk, about my PVC bags and how I clean them and how I'm using them during the quarantine. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and get into the quarantine bag PVC. All right, my first bag is from Biaggi. I won this in a giveaway by Andri's World. I'll leave all the information below. And it came in a dust cover like this from Biaggi. They have a lot of PVC bags, very affordable, pretty cool designs. And this was the little extra pouch that comes in the bag, basically. All right, so that's what that looks like. And my other one is from Amazon. This is the Biaggi bag. It's blue on one side, pink on the other, PVC. I use this mostly with my Fendi monsters, and it looks pretty cool. And it comes with the little chain, and I got this one in a giveaway. And it holds quite a bit, actually. Okay. It's in pretty good condition. I use this during the lockdown quarantine, and I'll show you how I clean it. I don't clean any of my designer bags. I don't condition any of them. I just leave them the way they are. I only keep them in the dust bags. All right, my second one that I have, I got this from Amazon. It came in a dust bag like this. This was, I think this was either $12 or $24. And I've had this for a few years. I keep it stuffed. And it's in fairly good condition. All right. So I wonder why Chanel bags that are PVC, I wonder why they're $3,000. I understand that they use real leather. The bags that I have are not real leather. And they do have the hardware, and they do have the chain from Chanel. I understand that. However, is it the same plastic, or do they have a different plastic? If anybody knows, leave your comments below. I'd love to hear, because I don't understand why they're so much. And even Louis, they're like their beach bag that's clear plastic. I believe that doesn't even have leather. That has canvas. So I don't know why there's so much, but there's probably a reason. All right, so what I use when I clean them is baby wipes that are fragrance-free, alcohol-free. They're basically just like a water wipe. And I got these, there's 100 in a pack, and I got these at a liquidation place, and I think they were $1. And so that's basically all I use. And what I do when I get back is I just wipe them out. I wipe them with this, and pretty self-explanatory, really. I mean, it's not really that complicated. All right, let's go ahead and open them up real quick. Just open them up with the little tab there. Pull one out. One of these baby wipes goes like a long ways. So all I do is I just hold it up in the air like this, and I just wipe it down, and that's about all there is to it. It's not really that complicated. but I had a request to ask what I do with my PVC bags, and basically that's all I do. Alright, so that's my video for today on my quarantine bags. If you guys have any questions or you have any other requests that you would like me to do, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Alright, and thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys, and be safe. Bye now.